Good morning, my loyal viewers of my daily Bitcoin update, and welcome to this new video. If you're new to the channel, by the way, I make a daily analysis on Bitcoin, but also other cryptos, basically what's trending or what's requested a lot by you. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing. But this is going to be quite a big update because today we expect some momentum, and that's mainly because, and most of you will probably already know that. It's mainly because of the inflation rate and the CPI numbers which are coming out today. At around, it says 8:30 right here, but this is GMT -4, and personally I am in GMT +2. So this still takes some time, but this will make the market move, and that's what we'll talk about. We'll talk about some technicals as well. We'll do some Elliott wave analysis. Because I've promised to do that more often. So all together an action-filled Bitcoin analysis. Excuse me. So before we dive into that, apart from that, I also have my own trading signals group. I'm a full-time trader as well, as you can see from the top. Check that out. Right now you can also sign up via cilinixfxcapital. Oh, cilinix.com. And there, if you go to trading signals, you can also, right now, there are some new payment options like MasterCard, PayPal, Apple Pay as well. So if you're interested in that, check that out. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So to start off with altogether market structure, like I said, I've been starting to do some Elliott wave theory, and altogether there's like a perfect wave or a perfect impulse wave structure right here, right? So this started at the beginning of, well, basically the end of December, but let's say the bullish momentum really started in January. And right now you can see that we are really in the fifth wave. Currently we had the same top as the third wave, which usually you actually get up higher, and I think in general that's also to be expected. I think if we take a look at, for example, the third wave, I think we're in this stage, this consolidation, after which I think we'll get that final push. There are some fundamental things that could actually change that trajectory, like the ETF being rejected, something like that. But it's still what I expect at this point of time. I don't expect it to happen after the inflation rate. I guess it's a possibility, but we'll see. But apart from that, this is pretty big. Overall, the fifth wave is usually a little bit smaller than the third wave. The third wave right now was about 57%, which is absolutely crazy. Currently, we're up about 26%. So I think a move up to that 35,000 level, which would be a 40% move, is to be expected over the long term. Now, on the short term, we're still consolidating, right? We're still in this range between 31,400 and 29,700. And the question still is, will we get some sort of a pullback down to, for example, this level, which also still fits into that Elliott wave, impulse wave structure? Or can we actually just, from where we are right now, from this consolidation, get that move up? I would say from the consolidation is a bit more likely, but like I said, I mean, if the inflation rate is going to make the market move, if the inflation rate and the CPI and stuff are all higher than expected, that's bad news. And then I do expect, because I think the markets have been quite bullish right now because we expect a bullish result, I do expect that if the inflation rates and the CPIs are higher than expected, that we can get a move at least down to 29,700. There's a possibility we'll drop down all the way to 28,800. Now from there, I do think we would be able to recover and still get a move up to 34,000, but then it could take significantly longer, I would say. So that's the main thing we're looking at right now, that inflation rate. Because if, for example, it's all about the inflation rate, to be fair, because if the inflation rate is actually lower than expected, then I think we could actually get some bullish momentum at least up to 31,400 and probably up to 32,000. I don't think we would go up to 34,000 just yet then, but it's bullish. And if it's as expected, we'll just continue on in the same market structure by consolidating here, and then at some point of time, which I'm not too sure about when that is going to be, but at some point of time, break above 31,400 and get up to 34,000. That's my full analysis and my full thoughts on Bitcoin for now. Hopefully that was valuable for you. Like I said, if you actually want to see more analysis like this, but also gain some more insights on the cryptocurrency industry, I do a lot of reviews of new cryptos, small cryptos. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing. But for now, have a great Wednesday. Take care and bye.